All right, now we have the active color, active dot color and dot color effect. So these are dot colors, and they can also be styled the way you want, but the styles here, they are cutting across the one, but there is no problem because I show you on the last lesson how you can style them. So on the body now, for the swiper, now we have them, we have style, we have everything like so, and we do swiper for the Android. Then we ask, we have this button now, and current index, if it is greater than 0, what we should do is, if current index is more than 0, greater than 0, we need to make title back. Okay, we need to create this custom button appear and show back, and when you press, you add back, and this add back on press, it is declared handle back here. So when you when you are on web swiper current, it is telling you to slide to current index -1, meaning it is going back. Yes, when the swiper ref is current, and remember now this is a WEMP. Else we know it is either iOS or Android, but here we are Android and iOS is the same. So we are saying scroll by, also -1, go back 1. Okay, that's what it means.